Market opens up here in about a minute. Have an order on RKDA, 300 shares to short at 18.85. Looking to build a position into this move here. This one can move very quick. Might get filled here right before the market opens. All right, I think I'm going to go to 19.15 here based off how things are. So we'll see if we can get a move up through 19 on the open. Went up as high as 18.84, so 1 penny below where I wanted in at. But this one can move pretty quick. Let's see when. Thought the market would be open by now. It should be any second now. There we go. The market is open. Okay, so I got those. And like I said, I will look to build some more. So I'm putting out some more orders, just 300 share lots. So I now have 1,500 shares. Nice. So let me put out some buy orders there. We'll look to get some more above 21. If it wants to get up there. Again, just 300 share lots. So nothing huge. Again, my average right now is right at 20. So let's see if it can get the break down below the $20 mark. $20 right now seems to be a bit of an area of support. So there's the break. I start to take profits down around the 1975 mark. Okay, nice. Got some orders up there. Looking to pull out some shares here down in the 20s. So let's see if it can break down through that 2050 mark. I'm not sure how many shares I actually got off. So it's moving back up, looking like I'll be able to get some more potentially here. Yep, so let's see if I can get some at these levels up here. Let's try for some. Okay, got some more up at 22.25. There we go. Just putting out some orders down there if it wants to pull back some. So 21 now is kind of that initial key break, where if it can get down there or below, I'll be sitting nice. So let's see if it wants to. So there's the break of 21. So now I have 938, and what I'm going to do is just follow this down with a stop loss. Put it right here at 81 for those final 938 shares. And now I'm just going to move this down. So now it's not a question of if I make money, but how much money am I going to make? So there, $1,400 on the trade. It's 9:35 a.m., so 5 minutes in. So yeah, I'm happy with that start to the day.